Welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Manang Wilma. Today will be a different video. We will be going fishing and whatever our catches will be dinner tonight. Let's go fishing! Uy, patay! Okay. It's big. So maybe I need to take it. Okay, since this is a freshwater fish, what we do here is we rub salt in it to get the slimy thing on the fish. And you just rub the salt and get rid of the slime. There you go. That's our good looking fish. Just as fresh as can be. Okay, now we're going to rinse the fish from that salt that we rub on it. Okay, now here's our mixture that we're going to put on our grilled fish, and we'll add like probably 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Okay, and then here I have salt, pepper, garlic powder, mushroom seasoning on this dry seasoning. So we'll just put it in here with our thing and then mix. Looks good. And then we'll put our lemongrass in there and we'll start putting it in our fish. Now we're ready to dress our fish to get it ready for the oven. And let me salt it again here. Make sure we got the thing salted everywhere. Okay, now let's put the, let's see, like that. Put the lemongrass. This really will give the fish a very good flavor. And then we'll just start putting all that stuff that we slice. Fill it up. Yeah, this would really give the fish good flavor. Oh, I was gonna wrap the outside with the garlic, minced garlic here. And the other side. Okay. Oh, I should, just a minute here, I forget, I should spray it with cooking oil here, oil spray, so it don't stick on our, just a minute here, let me get, okay, let's just spray it so the fish don't stick in the oil. Okay. Put that in there, and let's put and then the rest of the stuff, let's just put it over here because it's gonna season the whole fish anyway. And then we'll just seal it up. Seal it up so our fish would get moist while it's baking. Okay, ito na ang we end up like baking it for an hour and a half. So we'll check and see if our fish is done. Yeah. It's gonna be really good. Okay, smells really good. Okay, ito na ang ating baked rainbow trout. Now we just got it this morning and now it's already here for our dinner. Let's give it a taste. It's so juicy. It is so delicious. You could really taste the freshness of the fish. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next video.